For today's quick tech tip, I'm going to go through Google Add-ons. You have Google Add-ons in all the different apps. How you find them is you click Add-ons, and then you can go to Get Add-ons, and there are tons. And what these are people, sometimes different companies will create these additional things that you can add to your document or sheet or form or slides that help you. And excuse me. And I would highly recommend first looking for the different things that you need, but also then looking at the amount of people who have downloaded them or added the add-on. And then, so like right here, Lucid Charts, there's 10 million plus, and then you look at the star rating. And you can there's lots of different things. For example, if you are a fine arts teacher in music, there's the flat music notations that you can write and do straight into docs. And let's just use that as an example. So I'm going to install this. And you might have to sign in because it has to access your account. And I'm not a music person, but I do work with some music teachers, and hopefully it will download or add quickly. And so now it's been added, and I'm going to go back in and I'm going to go to my add-ons, and it says flat for documents. So now I want to insert my music snippet. And so it'll bring up music snippet. I will go to choose whichever one I want. I have no idea what I want. And so now I have my snippet, and I can choose I want this. And then I have one there, and I do one there. And then I want a 16th note here and here. I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but that looks like it might be the correct way of doing it. And say that that's my end of my music, and then I insert it. It's as simple as that. And here's my music note now in a Google Doc. And there's other add-ons too that I have my students use or I've used. EasyBib, that's a way to do a bibliography. Math type, if you want a math equation or a chem equation. You can also do an equatio. So there's lots of different ones. I highly recommend looking at add-ons in Google Docs. You can have add-ons in slides. And you just, when it's up here, you click add-ons. I'm sorry if you hear my kids crying in a second because things, we're here at home. If you're a Peer Deck person, you do Peer Deck Google Slides, you can do math equations here, there's so many things that you can get in each of them. So I highly recommend taking a minute and just go through the different options out there, and this will just make your learning and teaching that much better. So I hope you enjoyed this little quick tech tip about add-ons. I am excited to show you something new on the next day.